have been using ReviewPro system since 2016, and we decided actually, first of all, to choose a tool that we could manage better not only our guest comments, right? Because we were doing everything on paper and spreadsheets and everything, but mostly because at that time, the online reputation was really growing, it was something that was really on our project to see, to understand how people really thought about us. We wanted to know what our guests were expecting, what they wanted from us. So in June 2020, we decided that the best way was going to be to ask them. So that's what we did. We used the platform, designed a specific survey asking them what healthy measures they wanted to be applied in our hotels. We wanted to know about COVID and what they were expecting from us, and as well to market and to make them know that we already had the technologies to help them to go through this period. We're ecstatic, I don't even know the word, because we had 3,999 answers, almost 4,000. But it was really outstanding the response we had from our guests, and that number gave us a conversion rate of 4.5%. Our sentiment, our feeling about that was that our guests really care about us as much as we care about them. So I totally recommend all companies, not just hotel business. I think every company must have a platform to understand how their clients are thinking about their services. That's one way to better improve your services. And I think ReviewPro gives them the right solution for us to have all this information, because everything is related. So I'm talking here about the survey solution, but it's completely related to the online reputation solution. So it's very complete, and I can affirm that ReviewPro was one of the tools that we kept on analyzing daily, even though our hotels were closed down at that time. Hotels in Brazil from north to south, east and west. We have a total of 23 hotels across the country. We are mostly a business hotel chain, but we also have one resort in the countryside. I am nowadays operations and franchise manager, so I help the COO dealing with all the hotels, all the investors, and all the operations, and also I'm responsible for all the franchises hotels that we have.